स्पीकर सर, देखिए जितना मेरा आप लोग इंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं आप खुशी से करिए, आप रोज करिए, मगर एक बात मत भूलिए, जाति जनगणना को हम यहां पास करके दिखाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
That the matter of caste census should be considered in the cabinet. A group of ministers was formed to consider this subject. Most of the political parties had recommended caste census.
As far as the census report is concerned, Karnataka government welcomes it. Already my leader, Shri Rahul Gandhi, also has welcomed it. We want a time frame in it. The Congress party is committed to give social justice to every section of the society. Poor may be, whatever may be, whichever caste they may be. Their data should be available to the public, and they are also to be convinced their rights has to be established in a systematic way. Congress governments are committed to cooperate with the system. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂಥ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಇದೇ ವಿಚಾರ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಜಾತಿಕರಣ ಆ ಒತ್ತಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮದಾದ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಮೂಲ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ, ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಯಾರೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರದ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡಿ.
Yesterday, the government of India has taken a decision to conduct the caste census in the country, along with the census, along with the next census. I congratulate Sri Rahul Gandhi for his commitment for the social justice. That since 2 years he has been demanding Government of India to take up the caste census at the national level. He is also instrumental to include in the manifesto of Congress party in the last election, Assembly Parliament election. He is instrumental this caste census to be included in the manifesto. All along, since 1925, the RSS, BJP and Janasangha, they have been opposing socio-economic caste census on the ground that Congress party has been creating and they are creating struggle between the two communities. Caste in our social system, caste is a reality. You can't forget the caste. Through caste only, we will have to achieve the equality in the society. Otherwise, the inequality in the society among various castes will be continued. in order to bring about a change in the society, in order to bring about an equality in the society, in order to eradicate the caste system in the society, we have to conduct socio-economic and educational survey. That is, in other words, it is caste census. Caste is a reality. Those who are telling that the caste census is not correct in the interest of the secularism, it is not totally, they are castes, they are telling like this. The castes are advocating like this. So, I welcome the decision taken by the, at last, the Government of India has taken a decision to conduct the caste survey in the country along with the census.
Sir, how do you,
Sir,
sir,
how do
there
you-
are two things.
Sir,
There are
how
two
do
things,
you
sir. One is caste census. When the central government is saying that without announcing the date, they are saying we will go ahead with the caste census. How state government will look at it? Another one, when you are saying socio-economical and educational survey in Karnataka, will the state government stay intact with this? And what is your proposal to the central government after that, sir?
No. See, we have already conducted socio-economic survey or caste census. It is placed before the cabinet. I have asked all the ministers to give their opinion in writing by the next cabinet meeting. They have agreed to give their opinion in writing, and second is our next cabinet meeting day. But unfortunately, the cabinet meeting could not be held on 2nd because I will not be in station. I'm going to Srirangpatna because there is a function in Srirangpatna, Taluk constituency. So 9th, we are going to hold the cabinet meeting. By the time all ministers will give their opinion, we will discuss it in the next cabinet and we will take some decision.
Your proposal to the center, sir?
See, it is because in order to remove the ceiling,
50%.
because 50% ceiling is there, to recommend to the government of India